Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself a PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. And what you have to do in this kind of situation is to turn off your device first. Then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this for a couple of seconds. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. After you see this kind of Android robot image and no command message Android, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once. Then you will enter this kind of menu. In this menu, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, then confirm it by selecting yes. And after you see the message data wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device, and it will be restarted in about a minute. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.